What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a new product here. This new product, we actually have 2 of them, so we might do a little giveaway on this. Stay tuned for that. But these are the Fiitii HiFi Air ANC wireless earbuds. You can get these on Amazon for under 50 bucks for sure. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to purchase. I highly recommend that just off the bat. So I already tested one out. Obviously, that's why one of them are opened. And if I decide to do a giveaway, check the comment down below. Really quick, I also wanted to mention that the company actually gave 20% off if you decide to purchase. You can get 20% off with the discount code HiFi Air 22. And also on the giveaway details, I would like to mention that even if I do it, don't go straight to the comments and leave the video. Just keep watching. All right, so here are the headphones themselves. On the bottom, just some basic information. On the back of the box, you do have the Bluetooth 5.2, so very fast connectivity. ANC, which means you have a noise canceling and a transparency mode, and it has a low latency mode as well. Touch key, so there's no buttons. You have a mono and dual mode, so you can use 1 or 2 of earbuds at the same time. You have an IPX7 waterproof, so this basically covers everything on my spec sheet except for wireless charging. It's still good for the price, especially the quality. You're gonna be mind blown for this. So taking a look at the box, and the inside, you do have the earbuds. Very slim case off the bat, like as you can see. I'll do a little measurement right here. These do look like basically black AirPods kind of, except they do have a flat bottom rather than fully round. But I actually like this size. It's really, really small and compact, and does have a really good magnet. It does have 3 LED indicators in the front. This looks like a button. I tried pressing it. It's not a button, but it looks pretty cool. Taking a look at the inside contents here, you do have a little smiley face right there. I don't know if you see that. And you have the rest of your contents. So you have your ear tips, I guess you could say. Now, the cool thing about these ear tips are that they're colored kind of, if I can get them out. Okay, so I got one out. This is a large, and in the inside you have like a green accent color, which I actually do appreciate. It's better than most, so you have a little lining there. So it looks really, really nice. And it looks like it does not come with a charging cable. I just realized that. And if it did, then I probably misplaced it, but I'm not sure if it came with one. You do have a unsatisfied and satisfied card here, as well as a user manual. So all your instructions on how to use the headphones, troubleshooting, how to hard reset them, right there. The touch control, which I will get into this video. And yeah, we're gonna be checking this out. So I already paired it, obviously. We used it for a while. It's honestly really good. So it's a 500 milliamp case. Really good class, very good weight. Oops, I almost dropped it. Very good weight. Only thing is missing is wireless charging. They could have probably put it in the back, but there is no wireless charging. Very good pair of earbuds so far though. And as you can see, let me do a little wipe down real quick. As you can see, the little inner lining right there is green, and it just draws your attention to the green, which is really nice. But as you can see in the back, you can also see the driver since it's slightly transparent, which is also a really cool design. I haven't really seen that on a pair of earbuds, and it looks really, really cool. You do have a little contact pin for charging right there as well, and branding, which is kind of faint. You do have an LED indicator right here, which will light up green. Microphone right there. Microphone right here, right there, microphone right here, as well as a touch button. So you got a lot of microphones and touch button, but I'll go and show you these actual lights. So when you actually pop them out, they actually have a pretty cool animation, and I wanted to show you guys that. So let me go ahead and turn off these lights real quick. So pop them out, as you can see. They have a pretty nice little glow to them, and they will connect. I think the right one connected first because I took it out first, but very nice pair of earbuds. But it looks really nice. These earbuds are really nice. They're easy to put in the case. They look pretty cool. Got the charging there, USB Type-C input, which we will check out right now. So plug that in and we are charging. It looks like we're about half bars on charging. So yeah, it's very simple, very easy. I love these earbuds for sure, just because whenever you put them in your ear here, let me go ahead and bring you guys down real quick. All right, so if I have room, you got the earbuds here, very nice. When you put them in your ear, they automatically have like a really good noise cancellation. It's insane. But on the right side or left, you can change your modes. So just press and hold for about 2 seconds. You have transparency mode. So it goes in order. So it's mild noise cancellation, transparency, and then you have the third setting, which is like a heavy or a very good noise cancellation. Strong noise cancellation, that's what it's called. But it's a really good noise cancellation. Like off the bat, even when you have it on, what's it called? Transparency mode, that's how good it is. Then the seal on these are really good to the point where it basically defeats the purpose of transparency mode because it's that good. It's really insane, like it really is. So that's probably the only thing that it struggles with. The transparency, I noticed, because it's just too good of a job on the noise isolation part. So the seal is just really good. But if that's what you're aiming for, if you're aiming for a really good quality pair of earbuds that sound good, these are fine-tuned, and they are, the lows, mids, and highs are equally balanced. They're really, really good headphones. Nothing is overpowering and nothing sounds really bad compared to another element. It all sounds really good, which is similar to AirPod Pros, and especially at this price, it's insane. And that's why they don't really have wireless charging, but they do sound really good. I love budget earbuds that are under a certain price point, under 30, under 50. I'm pretty sure they will have a discount. I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure there is a discount in the description. But these are just so amazing. You have that, and then you also, if you press it 5 times, you enter low latency mode. If you press it 5 times again, you go back into no low latency mode. So these are good for gaming as well, which is perfect, because if you have gaming and you have a good noise isolation, noise cancellation, you basically won't hear the outside. You'll hear all the footsteps, everything else like that, which is really cool. And you have those drivers there as well, which helps you kind of like hear the bass more, which is really cool since they're like really right up there. It makes it just a better experience. It's really cool. They're very small, but I'm pretty sure they last a long time. I'll definitely have to test them out a lot more. We're gonna also show you the, gosh, I can't speak. I'm gonna also show you the microphones on here. So I'm gonna do a little call test on how they sound like. All right, so we're already connected to our phone here. Testing, this is a audio sound test of the Fiitii HiFi Air wireless earbuds. This is a sound test of the Fiitii HiFi Air wireless earbuds. Now, this is what they sound like. Basically, we have no fans on, we have nothing on right now, but we will do a ANC mode. So we have a fan on now, and it is going to be on the highest setting. We're going to actually stand in front of the fan, and we're actually going to talk right next to it. So I have a fan right here, like a tower fan. We're going to just do the same test, and it's coming on right now. Okay, so now we have all the wind on us, and this is what it would sound like if you're in a noisy environment or a windy environment. So this is what it sounds like on that. So yeah, that's a little test right there. If you can hear me better than anything else like that, then that's amazing. So I'm going to pause that, hear myself. So yeah, these are just an amazing pair of earbuds. I actually prefer them over my current ones. I might actually have to replace my shower earbuds again because, you know, or I could have these as backup. I don't know. Maybe you could have them as gym earbuds or something like that. But now I have 3 shower earbuds since the back bay were my original, and those have a really good bass, but the left earbud went out. And the ones I have currently, the Cancellation, the ones I did a review of before, those are really good as well. They have a good shape. They're not pencil style. They're basically in ear, but they're not as comfortable. These I can see myself wearing for hours on end because of the shape, and they just feel a lot better. They're more comfortable. They feel like AirPod Pros, and those are comfortable. They're lightweight in your ears, so they'll definitely be in your ears a lot longer. The only thing is I need to double check battery life because it doesn't really say it on here, but it does have Bluetooth 5.2, which means it's fast connectivity, and it's just gonna last a long time, and it has waterproof. So IPX7, if you don't know what IPX7 is, basically waterproof to extent. But yeah, overall, I really do think you guys should get this for sure, since they did send out a second one as complimentary, and I might as well try to give it away. So if you guys want to try to win that, check the comment down below, and we will give it away at 50 likes. So once the video just reaches 50 likes, I'll give it away, and you guys can win one of these. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.